I'm Gianfranco Pasut. I'm professor of pharmaceutical technology in Italy at the University of Padua, located very close to Venice in the northeast of Italy. My research interest is in the field of nanomedicine, and in particular drug delivery system. I'm developing this drug delivery system to guide the drug from the site of administration to the target. So this trip is very important because we have very potent drug, but most of them are not able to reach the target or differentiate between, for example, a cancer cell and a healthy cells. So potent drug can also be very toxic. If you can deliver them only to the target cells, you can achieve a very good therapy that kill and recognize only the target cell. It was a very nice opportunity for Professor Jorgo Montanari that invited me to participate to this summer school, which is an important opportunity to transfer the part of the knowledge to the young students and the researchers that maybe in the future can apply this knowledge for their projects and develop their pathway in research. Nanomedicine is quite important word that implicates many different approaches. In the field of nanomedicine, you have a drug that by size is different from the small drug alone. Thanks to the size, you can give new features to your drug in terms of biodistribution, pharmacokinetic activity that can be completely different from the drug alone. For example, you can have the same drug in a format of nanomedicine, which means that with these new properties can be, for example, a drug that is only active after it reached the target, so you don't have toxic effect during the trip, and only toxic effect appears after some mechanism of release activated in the target cells. Or you have the possibility of this nanomedicine format to insert some recognition molecules, so all nanomedicine is distributed and accumulated into the tumor, for example, and there the drug accumulates and kills the cell. So in terms of nanomedicine, it means that by playing on the size, conformation, supramolecular organization, you can achieve very new properties that cannot be reached by the simple drug. This research topic is to develop a nanomedicine approach against melanoma. Melanoma is a very aggressive type of cancer. With Natalia, we are trying to develop a liposome delivering vismodegib, a drug already used alone in the therapy for this melanoma. We are trying to develop a more complex nanomedicine that recognizes only the cancer cells thanks to a part of the antibody located on the surface of this liposome. So we aim to concentrate more the drug into the target cells for a higher activity. I mean, the research is quite similar because the approach nowadays is applied everywhere with the same technology, and so the process is quite very similar. Everything is based on the new idea of researchers that can be applied and brought forward this concept of nanomedicine. So the application is very similar in both sides. The equipment is very good. Of course, there is a continuous need of new equipment because now the research is moving at a speed that was unpredictable before, and the new equipment cost is every year more expensive because the technology is becoming more complex and sophisticated. So it's a continuous run towards new equipment, and to upgrade the equipment is a basic part of our research, otherwise we'll stay behind. But so far, for what I see, it's very good. I have a very good experience in this country, and happy to be here to share science, because science is something that is very open, and more people are involved, and more we have the opportunity to learn, because there is always something that we can learn even from the last researcher in the world. So it's very important to participate, to communicate, create new network. This is only a good way to promote science.